Mineral acids are very strong and dangerous. They are highly corrosive in nature. These acids can cause severe burns on the skin. These acids should be handled with great caution. They should never be handled with bare hands or tasted. Yes, beta, from this we understand mineral acids are very dangerous as compared to the organic acids. Organic acids are daily we eat in many our edible substances, but mineral acids are used in the laboratory for performing experiments, beta. They are not used in our kitchen. And they are very strong and very dangerous. Corrosive in nature means tending to cause corrosion. You know the meaning of corrosion means anything corroded. And sometimes if we touch if these acids put on our skin, then there can be a burns on our skin, and that's why we have to always handled with great caution, with carefully, and never be handled with bare hands, or we never taste these. Yes, beta, do you know each cell in our body contains an acid? You know our body is made up of cells, and in our body every cell contains acid. The deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA, it controls every feature of the body, such as our looks, color of our eyes, and our height. And proteins that build part of our cells are made of amino acids. Yes, beta, that build part of our cells are called the amino acid. The fats in our body contain the fatty acids. Proteins contains amino acids and fats contain fatty acids. Our next concept is dilute and concentrated acids. An acid can be dilute or concentrated depending on the amount of water present in it. Dilute acid is that acid in which they have the large quantity of water and small quantity of acid. And concentrated acid is that opposite to dilute acid, in which the small quantity of water and large quantity of acid. A concentrated acid is an acid in almost pure form or has a very small quantity of water. You know, concentrated acid can be diluted by dissolving it in a large quantity of water. We can change to concentrated acid to dilute acid by adding a water. But always remember, beta, an acid is added to a water. Water is never added to an acid, because a then large amount of heat is released during the dilution of an acid, then that will be dangerous for us. And there is a next multiple choice question: which of the following is a mineral acid? Answer is sulfuric acid. And which of the following acid is present in lemon and oranges? Answer is citric acid. Now our next concept is beta bases. Baking soda does not have sour taste, it has a bitter taste. If we rub a solution of baking soda between our fingers, it feels soapy or slippery to touch. Then our hands feels slippery. The substances that are bitter in taste and have a soapy touch are called bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. Some common bases are sodium hydroxide, NaOH, Na sodium, O oxygen, H hydrogen. Potassium hydroxide, K potassium, O oxygen, H hydrogen. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, it means 1 calcium and 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2, and there are one table shown, names of bases, and there is a sources written from where we get that these are the names of bases, as like calcium hydroxide in lime water and sodium hydroxide we get in soap. And our next concept is neutral substances. Neutral substances, the substances that are neither acidic or nor basic in nature are called the neutral substances. Means to say those substances जो ना तो वो एसिडिक होते हैं ना ही बेसिक होते हैं, that are called the neutral substances. For example, pure water or distilled water, glucose, urea, sugar, salt, and sour are some examples of neutral substances. Up to here we have done acids. Those taste sure are called acids, and those taste bitter are called the bases and have the slippery touch also. And neutral substances that are neither acidic nor basic. And our next concept is indicators. We know that acids are sure while bases are bitter in taste. But we cannot taste all substances to find whether they are acidic or basic in nature. It is because some substances may be harmful to us. Now the question arises, how do we find which one is acidic or which one is base? Caution. Do not taste anything unless asked by your teachers or elders. Do not touch anything unless asked to do so. Yes, beta, from this we understand कि how can we guess always कि which one is acid, which one is bases, because never possible कि everything we can taste, and you never taste anything without permission your teachers or elders, and don't touch anything because we already discussed beta कि concentrated acids as like mineral acids are very dangerous. Never touch without the permission of elders.